Hello kids, today we'll learn counting number 1 to 10 with your favorite YouTube kids channel. Let's get started. Black color, brown color, red color, orange color, pink color, purple color, green color, yellow color, sea green color, light blue color, blue color, sky blue color.
One. O-N-E, one. Two. T-W-O, two. Three. T-H-R-E, three. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Five. F-I-V-E, five. Six. S-I-X, six. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine. N-I-N-E, nine. And ten. T-E-N, ten. Let's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.